Hello guys, it's Verzikten here. Today I have very interesting clips. Please enjoy and I'll see you on the next video.
Really?
All right,
That
got the
paper
bag.
looks so good on you. No, not that bag. A black bag on your back, like a duffel bag.
Oh,
That's an accessories. Yeah. Keep looking around now. I think it's in that somewhere. Just keep looking.
let's see. Oh,
Boom.
there we go. That's close enough.
Yeah, it's close enough. Black duffel bag. Boom. I'd say you're good to go, X. Oh my God, you confused me. I thought you were actually X.
Let's wear this
good
thing.
to see you back from your cruise ship. Want a rubber bang?
Yeah, you got it. Does this look good?
We're coming. Yuno is playing Barbie dress up.
Okay. Good enough for me. Let's keep the blue shoes. They look funny.
No, well, he's done doing Barbie dress up.
Oh,
Get
God.
in the car now and go.
Sorry for the wait.
Oh, no way.
Hey, you got a new car.
No, same car, just painted black.
Oh, nice.
We make sure this is fully fixed, and we'll be good to go.
Look, guys, we're close
So, X,
enough.
how was your cruise ship, man?
What does he talk like? Yeah, it was great.
Oh, yeah?
This is the weirdest getup I've ever
Now,
seen.
you better start behaving. I don't want to see you going back on another one.
No, don't worry. I'm reformed. I turned a new leaf, you could say.
You've turned a new leaf.
Yep, that's yeah. Excellent.
Seeing high rates of speed,
Yeah,
Well,
everyone.
what?
And then every time I ticket them,
They
I'll
would
say,
have
you
so
know,
much less
who's
money to go in there with.
Oh,
That's
Jesus.
true. We can
You're
go in there
crazed.
and-
You're crazed. This is something's wrong with you.
If only I heard a compliment like I'm the slightly better Claire.
But I don't know if I can say that, but you know, you do have very nice hair, and that rhymes with Claire.
Is it better than Claire's hair?
Oh,
I mean,
Jesus.
I'll call your boss. I mean, I can call your boss again if you want. I mean,
Jesus,
I
what
got
is
my-
this?
Call her
What's
and
wrong with
tell
this
her
lady?
I got Claire's boss on speed dial.
Oh,
Yeah,
Jesus.
We're good friends with Claire's boss.
Well, look, I just don't know you that well yet. You know, I
Oh.
can't. It's like my first
Heck,
time
I guess
meeting
he
you.
doesn't know us that well. I guess, you know, there's nothing more than
But
bonding
I mean,
with,
if you do
charges,
hang out
right?
with
'Cause then
Officer
we have to
Mac,
talk
then
'cause
you
I
you
write
must
you
be
a
pretty
ticket.
cool, right?
I get your signature, you know, as I'm writing you a ticket. And,
Well,
that
signature?
whole deal. Yeah, because you'd have to sign
I'm
the
calling
ticket.
back up. Fuck
Like,
this. All right, hold on.
What? No, wait.
Yep. Yeah. You know,
All right. Will you ever do a cooking stream? Maybe. I do have like a small kitchen, but there's a lot of windows, so I'm like afraid of like leaking something, and also I don't have a setup for it, so I'd have to figure out a lot of stuff. I would though if I could. I just got to set up a bunch of stuff. Let's see. Russian, thanks for the sub. Curtains, yeah, I probably should do something like Ludwig maybe. I feel like Ludwig, he always knows what's happening. He really does, because he's been streaming for you know, 3 or 4 weeks. Oh man, is it a blue laptop?
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, I just thought I'd ask.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
How about you?
Oh, jeez.
You come back in 5 minutes.
Oh God.
Okay. Where were we?
Okay. How do you swim? Oh my God, I can't swim. Hey guys.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Hey, dude.
You got the bag and
Come on, dude.
everything. You're looking perfect. Actually.
You're talking like super fast now as well.
I'm not too good at that, but
What he likes to do on jobs is he likes to sound like Schmeagol or kind of like a little goblin.
oh, the precious. Uh-huh.
Yeah, exactly. Like
He'd be like, oh, man, nothing, I don't have anything. He just tries to disguise his voice in goblin
What?
ways, basically.
Um,
I don't know how
you
to
know,
explain it.
I look so different. There's no way they'll recognize
Okay,
me.
good. Let's go.
Oh, you're...
All right, let's sneak up. They'll never see us. Wo- eh. Wait, where'd Dundee go? Hey, where'd you go?
They're giving you another chance. I
They
want
are?
you to
Where'd
come
you
back.
go?
I just.
Oh my God.
Oh, I'm behind.
If you fuck with me and my colleagues, I will end your life.
What is this?
Do you understand me?
Uh-huh. I definitely won't do any of that. Don't you worry.
Take off your helmet now.
Oh, okay. I will say I've never robbed a
And
bank
leave it
before,
off.
though, so, I don't know how this is gonna go. Let's see. They killed you when you weren't imposter. Guys, it happens. It's part of the game. And honestly, I was trying to look more suspicious on purpose because I thought it'd be funny. And it was. And it was. Ashley and Dirk, thanks for the sub. You and Ray were both wearing Corpses merch. All right, guys. So I'm not wearing it anymore because it was actually kind of hot. But I had to wear it. I had to wear it for Corpse. So I put it on anyway, even though it's a little warm today. So, yep. Like, it's not like hot, but it's like a little warm for a hoodie, I think. So I just wore it anyway, and now that I'm chilling, I'm, you know. Let's see. Sykkuno does drugs. I'm going to have to come clean, guys. I did take some allergy medicine last week. I was, my eyes were a little watery. I was sneezing a little. I took some allergy medicine, and I have to be even more honest. I bought the generic brand because it saved me $2. So, yep, what can I say? I bought the generic brand. It saved me a couple bucks, and that's really all I can say. I had some allergies. Anyway, Kelsey and Vuitton and Sleepy, thanks for the subs. Let's see, who's good at driving?
I'm voting Randy Bullet. Randy Bullet I know can hack. He did it first time. I can bring him in, then we need another
Wait,
driver.
I know a really good driver, but I don't know if she's around right now.
Riley?
Huh? No, she drives a lot though. She's UWUBER.
The UWUBER girl?
Yeah, she's great at driving. Listen, I robbed a house with her the other day, and I told her let's race to the house to see if she can outrun me. And she lost me in like 2 seconds. I flipped my car over. She's like 10 times better than I am at driving.
Well, anyone is 10 times better than you are at driving, you know?
What do you mean?
Oh, hold on!
Oh, Jesus! Oh, God. Alright, Racy's better. Yeah, but our character doesn't know Racy that well, so...
I'll see if she's any
Oh, there's a deer! Can we shoot it?
deer.
Money!
No, don't fucking shoot it!
Oh.
Run it over, it's less painful.
Okay. Alright, I don't know too many hackers. I know Mickey has done
miles
it.
Away, you know?
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know who's like super good at this kind of stuff, but
Maybe Charles Johnson? I'm
Charles
thinking either
Johnson.
Riley, Charles, or Randy.
I
Of course, you and I. You
don't
and I are
know
in this
most of
together.
them too well. I know Riley a little bit. Randy's pretty
Riley's
cool
good.
too.
Or Mr. B if he's around.
Funny would it be if we took his car? Oh. Hello, you want me to steal their car?
No, shut up. They want you to come back.
They want me to come back?
They want
Oh,
you to
how funny. Wait, how funny would it be if I drove their car down the dock?
You know?
That was a joke. That was a joke. I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
I swear to fucking God, if you screw me here, I'm gonna fucking put you at the end of the dock, and I'm gonna drive you into the fucking ocean, okay?
What? Not the Kraken. Are they trying to sell you the handcuffs or?
That's what we're trying to find out. So just get here and watch. Please don't say a fucking word.
Oh. Yeah, you got it. You got it. This is so weird. It seems like a rare. Maybe this is how you. Maybe these guys have Mac 10s too.
Anyways.
Hello again.
Hello, you know. There's something else I have to offer.
Oh. What do you want, like
Question
money
for you
or?
guys.
I got like a
When's the last
sandwich.
time-
I swear to
Well, he asked what to offer. Oh God.
I'm trying to give you a second chance.
Well, he asked what we have to offer.
Don't ruin
it.
If anything is told to anybody, I will kill you and your friend.
Oh, like anything or like the deal kind of.
And you open your mouth about anything. Do you understand?
Oh jeez. Yeah, nothing at all.
Listen to him.
Oh jeez.
You ruined the biggest opportunity in my life. I'll ruin you.
Well,
You
I
don't have
just
to do
wanted to make
anything.
sure
I'll
I
make sure
understood so I
myself.
could
You open
follow
your
the
mouth to
instructions
anyone,
correctly.
You will die.
Hey, and your Gucci. You got this, you know.
What?
You know.
Oh god.
We might need to go a little bit faster.
Yeah, good thing I'm not doing that part.